Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Bitcoin at number 1, followed by Ethereum, BNB, Solana, XRP, Cardano, and then we'll end it with Avalanche at number 10. Let's get straight into it. Bitcoin against USD. Where are we? We are here. So for Bitcoin against USD, I think, I could be wrong, but I think we are already at wave 4, right? 1, 2, 3. This is very likely a wave 4, and then we're probably going to get a wave 5, which means that we could be very close to the end of this impulsive wave. Of course, we don't see any clear signs of a reversal yet. So yeah, we're still waiting patiently for something clearer to show up. First, over here, right, when things were about to reverse, what did we get? A clear shooting star, not only on the daily, but on the weekly as well. So this is actually, to be honest, a very powerful candlestick pattern, which means that there could be a deeper retrace coming on for Bitcoin eventually. So that's why this has got me a little bit perplexed in the sense that this is the halving, right? We're going close to the halving, but we're already overbought on the weekly. The last time when the halving happened, we were not overbought. We were only overbought like, was May, right? June, July, August, September, October. 5 months into the halving. But now it's before the halving, we are already overbought. So I'm like, could this one be different? Could this halving be the halving where we have a strong move towards the upside, and after that we retrace during the halving or after the halving? I'm not too sure myself. So anything that goes up will eventually come back down. So I suspect that there could be big selling happening eventually. But the only question is when. When? Tell me, when will you be mine? So we don't know when that's going to happen, right? But again, as long as it's bullish above the skinny pink line, we continue with our bullish bias. All we know is that there's a resistance level at around 57,000, and we're heading there. We're already at 52,000. So if this was a clock, right, we're already at 11:45. Right, in my opinion, right? Of course, I could be wrong. Of course, Bitcoin could just start blasting off to, I don't know, 1 million. Yeah, I don't think so. But we are very, very severely overbought. So, but anyway, we will remain with our bullish bias for Bitcoin until the wheels tell us otherwise. So up we go. Because the previous week, big green body candlestick. The week before, big green body candlestick. The week before, still a green candle. And 1 month ago, it was a clear hammer on the weekly. So Bitcoin continues to rise towards the upside. Ethereum, ETH against BTC. If we look at ETH against BTC, I don't know what's this, bro. Okay, if you look at the bigger chart pattern, right, we could do something like this, right? An inverse head and shoulders, right? Let's say, this whole thing could be a wave 2, right? Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, up for a wave 5. Absolutely possible. It's just that at this point of time, I'm not really sure about this. I don't see any signs of a proper chart pattern though, right? But if we were to consider the bullish possibility of Ethereum, then yeah, we could be heading much higher. What I don't like about this is that we're hitting the skinny pink line, and that's not good, right? Let's say we draw a support line across. Could Ethereum do something like this? Form a descending head lower? Of course. That's the scary part. Will we get it? We're not sure. Right. Anyway, we're still under the skinny pink line. So should we form a, I don't know, something like this, right? An ascending. Oh, this will be awesome. Right. You will see strength on Ethereum against BTC. Against USD, here we are for Ethereum. Ethereum continues rising on the daily. It's just up. Again, big green body. This was a hammer. And then indecision here and there. Still green, a bit of indecision. And then green. Again, so it's still up for Ethereum. Look at the previous week. Big green body. Still very, very, very bullish. Very bullish. So we're expecting Ethereum to potentially take out these highs over here, right? We might go to around 3,005 at the moment. So we're at 2,009, so another 500 more to go towards the upside, right? Of course, along the way, there could be dips. Excuse me. So that's Ethereum for you. I think it's going to be good. It's going to be good for the next few weeks. Moving on would be BNB. So BNB has started rising, right? And we are in some sort of a consolidation. So potentially, this could be the completion of a 5-wave move, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, D, E. Pum! We break higher. Potentially, but of course, we still have a target over here at 0.04658. So potentially, this could also become a descending. So it all depends upon the wheels of BNB, whether if you're going to see the price head back towards the resistance, or if the price is going to hang around the support. If we hang around the support, then more likely than not, we're going to break it. If we hang around the resistance, more likely than not, we're going to break it. So it all depends upon the wheels, right? I mean, if this were to be 3 values, right? Value 1, value 2, value 3. We're kind of halfway there, right? If this was 3 mountains, we are kind of, quite close to it. Maybe 70-80% done, right? So it all depends upon the wheels of BNB. Against USD, BNB still looks good. BNB has already broken out. I've said this many times that I've been buying at $300, and I expect BNB to continue higher. Reason I've been buying BNB is because this was a consolidation, right? It's something like a very slanted type of not exactly an inverse hedge, but something like that. And now we've already broken out. And we expect more upside for BNB. Once we broke out and took out these highs, and then that's it. We were saying this will be invalidated. So we are flipping bullish for BNB. Again, if we were to go higher, I would expect us to hit towards potentially 600, right? Close to 600, sub 600 maybe. So this will be a very gigantic inverse head and shoulders. Woo. But this is going to be up to potentially 2025 though, if it were to happen, right? And if you were to form valleys around the resistance, oh, this is gonna go to 4 digits. So there you go. That's BNB for you. Solana, Sol against BTC. Here we are for Solana. Solana is very likely in a wave 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more wave towards the upside against BTC. That's our expectation. Of course, we could be wrong. This could already be complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't think so. I think there's still one more. So if you were to go a little bit higher, where are we going to go? You're probably going to take out these highs. Clean out these highs, and then we come back down. Right. So yeah, but anyway, we're above the skinny pink line. So we remain with our bullish bias for Sol BTC. Against USD, here we are for Sol. More upside? Yes, sir. Yes, sir, more upside. But there's a major resistance at around 160. Could we go past that? Yeah. We could also clear these highs here. You see that? So those highs are 206. So we could go past $200. We're at $100 only. So there's still, a little bit more towards the upside, right? So yeah, there's still more upside for Solana. A little bit more. Solana has already done tremendously. It's already up 1,400%. To expect it to go another 1,000. Yeah, no. Just a little bit more. Right? So just like the BTC pair, very likely this is a wave 4 in the making as we go for a wave 5. Right, there's one more wave up for Solana. One more wave. XRP against BTC. Here we are for XRP. Okay, XRP is still weak. It's still down. So I don't know if we're going to be seeing any sorts of a reversal for XRP. Any clear? Nope. Are we still bearish? Yep. So, sadly, it's still pretty bearish. Against USD, XRP also doesn't really look that good. Reason being, right, mountains. We could be breaking much lower for XRP, right? I mean, if we rise up all the way here, right, we could get something like an ascending. This would be awesome. We'll flip bullish if this happens, right? But as it stands, no, the moves have been weak for XRP. So, I don't really like what I see. for XRP. ADA! What's up, Charles? IOHK Charles. Anything for ADA BTC? Nope. But on the larger, higher time frames, this is a beautiful ABCD in the making. In my opinion, of course, I could be wrong. ADA BTC could drop to 0. But based on chart patterns, it's beautiful. I think ADA is just going to blast off eventually. But this could be years in the making though. So yeah, we're going to take things one step at a time. We're still marking around the skinny pink line. Could we get mountain ranges over here as we head lower? Sure, of course. Could we switch bullish? Yeah, of course. Go up here to the resistance, hang around the resistance, break higher. Best thing that could happen. But yesterday we already closed with a shooting star. So there's weakness. We see weakness for ADA against BTC. But against USD, it's pretty good. It still looks pretty good. So more upside, very likely more upside. Best thing that could happen for ADA is we consolidate. Come down for a C. I get a D, E, continue higher. 125. Give us something tradable, yo. Will we get it? Again, we're not too sure. But it's pretty weak though. So again, best thing that could happen is this. If we break higher, then it is what it is, right? So yeah, like over here, right? We did come down for a little bit. Something like an ABCD, and then BAM! We broke out, right? So if we were to do something like this, BAM! There will be another BAM potentially. So we'll see how it goes for Cardano. AVAX against BTC. Here we are for AVAX. Anything for AVAX? Okay, we're above the skinny pink line. So one thing to bear in mind, right? This in itself looks like a... Is this a squeeze? Not too sure. Could we sweep the lows over here? Yes, of course. We could just sweep the lows before heading higher. But AVAX BTC still looks good. Still more upside to be expected. We're probably gonna... Again, I'm guessing we're gonna take out these highs here. The tippy top over there. So this could be another 131%. So out of all the coins that we've seen, BNB and AVAX has a lot of potential. Right, Solana has already done thousands of percent. Right, XRP is still weak. Bitcoin still has a little bit more, not as volatile. Ethereum not as volatile as BNB or Avalanche in terms of potential. So yeah, there could be something for AVAX. But again, we are trying to anticipate how much lower we're gonna go before we go higher. Against USD, it looks good. Right, again, the best case scenario to get is just like ADA. We come back down for a C. We get a D and an E. We continue higher. Best case scenario. Will we get it? Breakout. We could just break out, of course. But yeah, it just becomes something else if that happens. I would prefer something like this though. And then by, I don't know, April, maybe? May, April. We continue higher for AVAX. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. We shall see how it goes. Alright, boys and girls, I guess that's it for today's top 10. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-da!